Hello everyone, welcome to English Corner. Today I will share some easy tips to learn spoken English. Let's begin. First of all, practice every day. Speak English for 10 minutes daily. Next, talk to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am learning English. I want to learn spoken English. Then use simple sentence like I want to eat, I am going to college, can I sit here? After that, learn 5 new words daily. Practice with your friend or family. Ask and answer simple question in English. Finally, don't be afraid. Mistakes are okay. Be confident. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.